Good morning, kids. It's another day. We're at it. 67 degrees yesterday, 47 this morning. Look at the waste, the net profit. Who do you think's guilty of that? We'll find out. Today we are in Warwick. I love when we are in Warwick. Have you ever been to Warwick? It's a beautiful little town. Ton of restaurants. That's why I'm fat. I knew it wasn't my fault. Too many restaurants. That'll do it every time. Underground tank removal. We've seen them. Above ground tank installation. We do them. Got a bunch of tanks inside. This is all right in our wheelhouse. This is going to be a successful day. Have not had a lot of leakers. Don't want to jinx anybody. But we haven't. We need them to survive. Maybe we'll get one today. If we do, we will shine, because that's what we do. We're the lowest prices in the industry. Family owned. The dynamics get better and better as we go. Appreciate everybody watching. We have Craig, who is on site already. He's always the first in. The boys are right behind me. We're going to do the same stuff we always do. I'm going to bring you along. It's going to be a great day. Sit tight. Bill. So I don't think that'll be a problem. Plus, we have a good relationship with him. Not a surprise, right, kids? Because everybody loves us. We're tank masters. We're the masters of all the tanks. All the tanks that are out there, we're the masters. Not a little braggadocious, right? But it's hard to when you just sit here and see this all around you. You're the masters. Okay, so there you go, Craig. You know, making $5 grand today, getting an environmental impact while you go off to your water park. All right? So we're not just doing an AST removal in a garage.
Mike, that was pretty smooth right there.
That was, right?
That was pretty smooth.
I know.
You struggled with that.
I did struggle.
Oh, no, we don't fake. We're doing a YouTube channel.
We're talking, we're good.
But it's smoke and mirrors. You want to let them know that we did that smooth.
I was struggling.
Why? What was the problem?
I couldn't get it in. I had to bend it and then I got it in.
Oh my God.
We're good.
Come on,
You didn't do that piece?
What?
You didn't do that piece? All right, it's a little long.
No, yeah, obviously. I found this. I threaded the one side.
Okay.
Threaded the one side. I'm going to measure it, cut it.
My little mechanical boy. Mommy's going to be so proud of you. Oh, my little Mikey. Oh, Mikey.
Jump off.
Can you get that off?
It's not going to come off.
The gauge is crooked, man.
It's always crooked.
No, it ain't.
Yeah, it is.
I can make it level.
I know, but without touching it...
Yours are crooked, maybe.
Oh, yeah?
You.
I'm crooked?
Corey's our shim guy. He hates it.
Took control of it.
Sam, you get that on your own. We won't help a bit. Okie-dokie. Here's the satisfying part.
You got a while.
No, she's coming. She's coming. It's all how you finish, kid.
Come on, Hammer. You can do it.
Oh! Put first string in, second string, third. Look at these guys. You can't get off your phones, you two.
No, I was going over the stats.
You can't get off your phones. Corey, I think you're the worst. Come on, Sam. The folks are dying. They're on the edge of their seat right now. All the guys said, honey, get in here.
All right. What are you doing?
Ooh, he's going to stop at that point.
It's literally out of the wall.
It is.
You can keep going.
Well, you called me off,
Put it
Sam.
in there.
A foot? That's kind of crazy.
No, it's not a foot.
A foot's a little bit much, yeah.
You got maybe 5 inches. That's got to be probably the weakest effort I've ever seen. Seriously. Look at that. I don't even think it's budging. Well, you got to keep doing it in order to sit.
That. You're annoying me.
Oh, sorry. I'm just trying to make content, bro.
I understand that.
Here, you take this. Watch the fat guy do it.
You're annoying me.
I'm sorry. You're not budging. You're not going anywhere.
It's literally not moving. Shut up.
Let's make fun of you now.
It's not budging either.
Corey's got a little wiggle technique. Oh, flipping it over. All right.
Not moving. The only way it's going to come out is straight up and down. Just like that. The only way it's going to come out. There you go.
You want to know how it's coming out? Go get the sledge. No,
Yeah.
give me that. I got you. I got it out. Watch.
It's almost done.
Oh, man. These kids, man. Watch. When things don't work, you get a bigger hammer.
Wow.
Yeah. How exciting is today turning out to be? You ever have so many problems with trailers? It's amazing. Here's the problem. What happens? There's not a trailer guy out there, and that trailer guy is not always available. So sometimes you go elsewhere, and you have somebody else fix the small problem on your trailer. Here's the problem. The next time that trailer breaks, and the person found out that you went somewhere else to fix the trailer, here's what you get. That guy effed the whole thing up. He rewired it, and now I gotta rewire it. So then you tell that guy to rewire it. So once he rewires it, and then he's not available 3 weeks later when the lights don't work, you bring it to the other guy. Oh, he just effed up the wiring, and now I gotta rewire it. So everybody's constantly gotta rewire these things. There should be a trailer wiring school where everybody does the same wiring. I think it's positive negative, with maybe a switch in between. Now this trailer's got to go in again. I don't know. Somebody should get into the trailer business. Just a constant upkeep and maintenance of trailers, because they suck. And I swear to you, if anybody's got a little utility trailer, they break a month after you get them. And when I say break, the lights don't work. A month. So it's probably not even a trailer guy problem. I think it's a trailer manufacturer problem. Do better wiring. Have a better system. Trailer guys. Are you guys fighting?
Yes.
What's the fight?
There's like 50 gallons in here. Just making it pump.
Corey, you a little sassy this morning?
Yeah.
Why?
They don't want to pump.
Oh no, we're not carrying that around. Shame on you, Corey.
We're going to Monroe.
There's no fight here. Wait a minute. Look at Corey. He's so sassy today. He's defiant. He's never like that. What is that? How many?
You got lobster issues?
We're not. I didn't say a word about that. He wants to go at you, dude. Hey, if he has a couple cocktails,
Wait,
stay.
Mikey's
been in there the whole time. Are you serious? The door's shut? Yeah. Mikey, why don't you yell for help?
What?
Or what were you doing? And it's pitch black in there.
No, I was getting stoked.
Okay. Oh my God! Wait till you see this. Is this in the file? Sam, where's the file? Did anything look like... That's Francesco, by the way. Did you see anything unusual in the file?
No, it said nothing about that.
That's Francesco. Hi, girl. Yeah. Hi, girl. Oh, you're a pretty girl. That's a pretty girl.
Corey, you going out? Wait, Corey.
You know what? Maybe not. Don't worry about it. They're doing just a removal here. Yeah, we're going right through the field, bro.
Yeah, man.
I go through the vent.
Okay, Sam. It's unbelievable, right? Is it not unbelievable?
Yeah, right.
It's what I deal with.
I'm going whichever one's on the right.
Well, I'm doing the opposite of what Dad says. It's far.
Turn your head. Other way. Look at this.
Wow. Well, they contacted the Masters, and they said, hey, Masters, the gentleman, that's his name now, Rick, I think. Could be John, who knows. We're going to go with Rick right now.
Wait, don't get nervous.
I'm not getting nervous. But it's just
Oh my god! Oh my god! This is his worst one.
over.
His first one was
Look at
good.
him sweat. Look at the bead sweat.
He pulled the trigger.
Drum roll.
Probably should look at what you're doing. He doesn't need to. Just twirls off.
Okay, so today's gonna suck. Well, that's what we got today. We're working under a deck. That's all I know. I don't know how high the deck is. It could be 8 inches off the ground. It's Westchester County, I think. I don't really know. I just throw that in there to make it all seem worth. I'm building up drama.
I put 50 to win 13.
Ask Corey where his red gear's at.
Yeah, that's right. My wife brought this to my attention every Friday. Hey,
I can feel it.
Corey, my wife has brought this to my attention every.
No, I forgot.
No, you know, it's every Friday.
No, it's just a past 2.
What? You don't care about our military?
I do.
All right, well, you don't want to remember.
We were going through Chester. Can I stop at my house and get my sweatshirt?
No. We can't get you here on time either.
Yeah, I came before you today.
See?
I came before all.
That's because Mike held me up. Well, we all got red, Craig, get a new one, bro. Come on, man.
I'll give it to my cleaning lady today.
Who's that?
Your wife.
You just called your wife a cleaning lady?
I said your wife.
Uh-oh.
No, your wife.
No, your wife.
Oh, that's disrespectful.
Hey, Ma. Where's my candy?
Oh, were you actually waiting for her to answer? It looked like you were.
Hey.
That's a good breakfast.
Top 3 candy, Halloween.
Number 1, Reese's Cup. Number 2, Milky Way. Number 3, 100 grams.
Mike?
M&M's, Skittles, Kit Kats.
Ooh, everybody's got a quick answer.
Skittles,
Really?
Dots, Reese's.
Oh. I'm going to say it, but everybody said it's not Halloween candy. Cadbury mini eggs. 100 grand bar. But it is.
No.
I've seen them come in little packages. They make them. Let's go online and I'll show you.
I've seen them.
No. 'Cause
Okay,
if we go
so you've
if
seen
we
them.
go online, we'll buy
At
it.
Easter.
So because you don't.
Easter. Kevin Mini Eggs come out on Easter.
Well, you know, I trick or treat in the higher end people where they've got a little bit of money. All right, should we go ask Sam or?
Yeah, he has his answer already.
According to Nance,
Jammer. Top
could
3
you
Halloween
tell
candy.
me Mike's favorite, like top #1 Halloween candy?
Absolutely, it's a bag of potatoes.
Top 3.
Sam, top 3 Halloween candy. Your fans want to know.
Look him in the eyes, Jammer. Jammer, we went over this.
Why did I think about it?
It may have changed.
He just walked away.
Milky Way, Milk Duds, and
Milky Way. Skittles. It's
Really,
obviously
Reese's.
Reese's?
Dude,
Over
you-
Skittles for you?
Yeah, you buy a case of Skittles a month. Okay. That's
I was fat, that's all I would eat.
what do you say?
When he was fat, that's all he ate.
Was what?
I would
Milk
come home with
Duds.
2 boxes.
So it
of
was
Milk
because of Milk Duds you were fat.
Duds. No, I would have boxes of Milk Duds.
Really?
Yeah.
This is just coming out now?
You haven't noticed?
That's what I
No. Dude, I can't find anything in your room. I tried.
The fact that it's not Skittles is ridiculous.
Yeah, right, I know. I think that's the only candy he actually eats now, isn't it?
Dude, he had Skittles every day for the past 4 years.
Yeah. Okay, let's get the pumping. Is this in the way? Yeah, okay.
I don't know, did you park it?
You guys are gonna miss me when I'm dead. Ah, this is gonna be nice, Corey. You feel it in the air? You feel and smell the success? Here, listen.
Coming in
There.
First job I ever did, I did it out of the top block. I don't know what I was doing. I blew the whole block out. Yep.
So we lost a little stability on the.
You know, that was 2005. So,
Okay.
the house is still up. I don't know what that. And as I was completed, I finally was excited. I got the job done. I put the oil in the vent pipe and went.
Wow.